use a bread tie thing and tie it in that one hole.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Now, see if it'll still ring.
The bell is located on the Guy Cordonier farm north of Clarksdale. The bell originally belonged to the school of Donovan County, Kansas, and was closed in 1969. The bell was made by the C.S. Bell Company of Hillsboro, Ohio. They began making bells in 1865. Ownership of the bell was in Cordonier School in Nathan County. Then the ownership was at Ferris Waddick's home, and now belongs to Guy Cordonier, who attended this Cordonier School for 8 years.